Hey there, my friends. So you're getting your business started, or perhaps you are revamping it after a difficult year, and you're not exactly sure what you should do about your pricing. In today's video, I am going to share with you the 4 pricing models that you can use in your business, and I'm also going to let you in on a little secret, the one that I think works the best. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local based businesses market more successfully so that they can get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in their lives and community. So, today I want to talk to you about 4 different ways that you can price your services. Plus, I'm going to tell you about the one strategy that is the one that blew my business up a few years ago. So, obviously, the first way that you can price your services is hourly. You would charge by the hour. Not my favorite way, but that's how many of us got started. The second way that you can bill for your services is through offering packages, basically, packages or bulk hours so that your client can buy more than 1 hour at a time, which, as someone who is selling, makes sales a lot easier. The third way is by the project. So sometimes there will be situations where someone may come along and ask to hire you for a particular project. And in that case, you can bill or create an estimate based on the project. This came in handy for me about 2 years ago. We had a local designer who was doing all of the design work on a huge home. The house was somewhere around 13,000 square feet. And she needed to flip the house over quickly with all of the decor. And so her and I have known each other for years. And so she decided to hire me, my business, as well as my team to help her and her team basically put out all of the photos and the design elements and the pillows and the lamps and the tchotchkes and the vases and all of the coordinating pieces out into the home within a day. And in order for her to do that, she needed to have multiple people on site, hands on. So instead of charging her by the hour, because we weren't exactly sure how many hours it would take, I priced it out for the project, which actually made it very easy for her to then bill it into her clients' billing as well, because our fee was one set flat fee for all of my team members for the day. And then she was able to take that fee and then build it into her fee structure for her clients, which made it a win win situation. My fourth and favorite way to bill your services is to build out a retainer or membership model for your business and for your clients. And there are a lot of reasons why that building out a membership model is one of the fastest ways to grow your business. Some of my favorite reasons why you want to build a retainer or membership model into your business is that it creates reoccurring revenue. So, for example, if you built a membership model that was $200 a month and somebody agreed to become a client on your membership model, then that $200 would become recurring revenue for you and your business. Doing this was the single most forward momentum thing that I implemented in my business several years ago. This does not mean that I removed all the other ways that we did business with clients, because not all clients want to become a membership model client. For example, my friend who has the local design business. She did not need to have our services on a retainer. She needed a project. In that case, the membership model would not have served her needs or her purposes. But having a membership model for people who do want to use your services on a regular basis, whether you are selling lawn care, floral design, concierge, home care, or organizing services, having a opportunity for clients to know that they can have you available and your services available to them on a set schedule is the greatest single most effective way to grow your business exponentially. So, those are the 4 ways that you can price or reprice your services this year. 1, hourly. 2, in bulk or packages. 3, per project. And my favorite, 4, is building a retainer or membership model. So you might need additional support in building these fee structures in your own business. And if that is you, I have a solution for you. Down below, I have posted a link that will take you to our pricing course where I walk you through exactly how to set your business up so that you always know when to charge hourly, when to charge by the package, promotions that you can run, when to charge for a project, and exactly how to implement a membership model into your own business so that this year you too can grow exponentially, which means you will reach your goals a lot faster. If you like this video, my friends, hit that thumbs up below. And if you need help, don't sit in confusion. This is my invitation to you to take our pricing course so that you get out of overwhelm, get out of confusion, and know exactly how you're going to price and move your business forward this year. Until next time, my friends, happy pricing. Bye now.